Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to switch accounts on Temu. So if you have multiple accounts on your Temu profile and you want to switch between two Temu accounts, or you want to add another account to your Temu app, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to switch account on Temu, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Temu application. Once open the Temu app, go ahead, sign into your Temu account with your email and password. Once you've signed into your Temu account, go ahead and click on U button on the navigation. Then, locate and click on the settings icon at the top right. Now come here, click on Switch Accounts. On the Switch Account page, then you should see a list of Temu accounts you have. Now to switch account on the Temu app, select the account you want to switch to. Now the Temu account is selected, will be loaded on the Temu app. If you come back again, repeat the same thing, switch account, then select another Temu account, then you should see the Temu account like this. So that is basically how to switch Temu account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.